kingdom Plantae. Plants are living organisms belonging to the kingdom Plantae. The plant cells have an eukaryotic structure with prominent chloroplasts and cell wall mainly made of cellulose. Plantae includes algae, bryophytes, pteridophyta, gymnosperms and angiosperms. The scientific study of plants known as botany has identified about 350,000 extant species of plants defined as seed plants, bryophytes, ferns and fern allies. They include familiar organisms such as trees, herbs, bushes, grasses, vines, ferns, mosses and green algae. As of 2004, some 287,655 species had been identified, of which 258,650 are flowering and 18,000 are bryophytes. Green plants, sometimes called Viridiplantae, obtain most of their energy from sunlight via a process called photosynthesis. A few members are partially heterotrophic, such as the insectivorous plants or parasites. Bladderwort and Venus flytrap are examples of insectivorous plants, and cuscuta is a parasite.